Mutongoi wa chama cha DCP Rigathi Gachagua Niwaweta Muti Selikali kwa Kuleela Maundu ma Usesei wa Enenthi Na Vala Syiko Sya Enenthi Kuwawa Siendee na Kuvikia vandhi ya Kenya. Aineena Kyathini cha Mboya cha Mututia Reverend Julius Ndumia no Kuvithukiwa na Owawa Kanisani kana nyumbani kwake Gachagua Niwaweta Kana Selikali ya President William Ruto Yithiitwe itekosa mavithukia ma Enenthi Makanisani Na Uito na kethiwa matambia mituki mayoso 16 hivi Enenthi matena mavito nimekwendea na kumia kavindani kwa Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka Kyathini cho thaithi ula waete vamwe makanisa kivadhukanio uthaithi ula watwaiwa kanisani wa Seed of Hope Church Kaundini ya Iluvi Niwaweta Kana ivinda ni viku kanisa ukilio wasya na kuleana na utongoi wa President William Ruto nundu ni wemetwe ni kutumania Muuo na muno Makanisani mwaka mwewe na mauvo.
Tongoi mangaliko ya ulei mainene Kyathini kivavukaniwa Niwaweta Kana Syiko Sya Uvungulu wa Muuo ta Siendee na Kuvikia vandhi ya Kenya mayukilia maukulio niki Selikali kusetie kwika ukunikili kila kinatumia mutavania wa kanisa wa PCEA Tabuga Kaundini ya Naivasha Reverend Julius Ndumia aliuawa nembuleli enyumba Kwake Kanisani usu.
As we speak, as these leaders come, and this has never happened before in our country, that a spiritual leader is slaughtered inside the church. This happened on the 3rd of May 2026 to Reverend Julius Ndumia Ngari, PCEA Tabuga Parish, I believe in Nakuru.
The residence of the Reverend Ndumia was covered by CCTV. We are calling upon police in Nakuru, before we bury the Reverend Ndumia tomorrow, can you release the CCTV footage so that his family and Christians and all of us can have an idea as to who killed the man of God?
Dongo ya chama cha DCP Rigathi Gachagua inene Kyathini cha Mboya cha kuyumbanisia kumumasia Reverend Julius Ndumia Niwatula Muti muvya wa polisi na ula Usesei wa nthini kwa kwithiwa na kamwene kuthinikia Syiko Sya muthemba uu na muno ila syakwata kanisa na vala wakulia tongoi ma makanisa vandhi ya Kenya kukilia wasya nikana kukwata usungio wa uwani uu.
And there is double standard in this country. A parish minister in the PCEA church is murdered in cold blood 5-6 days later. Not a single statement from the Minister for Interior. Not a single statement from the Inspector General of Police. And I must say, I am now persuaded that this government seems to have declared war on our church. Last year, goons, criminals, stormed inside Mweki PCEA church, attacked men and women inside church. To date, nobody has ever been arrested. Not a single statement from the president, from IG, from CS Interior.
Dongo ya chama cha Wiper Patriotic Front Kalonzo Musyoka inena Kyathini cha uthaithi kanisani wa Seed of Hope ula windono Kaundini Iluvi Niwatula Muti Selikali kwa kuthosya ivandi kwa Enenthi kuma nthi ya Somalia kwanzite kueleka kindu kila kitona kuvalania Muuo wa nthi ya Kenya.
That truck drivers from Mogadishu, not from Kenya, from Mogadishu, yesterday in the city of Dola, 178 of them were issued with Kenyan identity cards. What does that tell you? After paying a deposit of $900 or $600 US dollars, within 3 weeks, you have brought a Kenyan ID. These are not Kenyan Somalis, because Kenyan Somalis have every right to get their IDs, to get their passports, but these are truck drivers from Mogadishu.
Nilivotia vilingiwa movone toa mwaka mweu.